Welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn about color theory. This is one of the most important things when it comes to website design. So you have to maintain professionalism when it comes to the colors you're choosing to design your website. A single website should not have more than 3, maximum is 5 colors. And there are steps you can use to achieve all this. Now, looking at the definition of the color theory here, it says, color theory is a practical combination of art and science that is used to determine what colors look good or great in a particular brand. So it's a study of color families and relationship. I'm going to drop a link for you to study more what each color applies to when it comes to your brand. So here, we're going to learn what we need to know about colors when it comes to, brand design and all that. So now let's say we want to create a brand that has to do with tech. So let's come here and choose a frame. Let's have this frame here. And update color to tech. Mostly tech are blue color. So we'll update it to this blue color. One thing you should note, the 3 colors we are talking about, they are the primary color, the secondary color, and the accent color. Now, how does these colors work together? Your primary color is the main color of the brand. You should try to know how to get colors for each brand. Each brand has its own color, unique color that represents that brand. Just like the way I chose blue, this particular color code for tech. Now, what is secondary color? Secondary color is a color that will support the primary color, for contrast and all that. Now, what is accent color? Accent color is the third color that will be used for highlights, call to action, buttons, and all that. That is the accent color. So you should maintain these 3 colors. And it's very simple to get them. Now, let's say the main brand of this tech, the color is blue, and this is the blue. Now let's create another frame. Hold down your Alt key, then you drag. Now, let's say you want to create the secondary color for tech brand. Mostly, we can use gray or light gray or dark gray. So this is it. Let me update the color of my background so that we can see it clearly, and then change it to white. So, and we bring out this to this side. So now we have our secondary color. So we are going to rename each and every one of this color to the colors that apply to this particular brand. So this is the primary color. I will name it as PC. This is the secondary color. I will name it as SC. And lastly, we create one more. Lastly, we're going to create one more. Let's hold the hotkey and drag this here. So let's say this is going to be for call to actions. We are choosing something neon green or orange. So I'm going to select these 2, orange. So now we have our 3 colors, which are the primary, secondary, and the accent color that represent this particular tech brand. So if you want to go with this color, it's cool. Now, there are some instances where you may want to use these colors to be faded or to be in a bit different for each other, but you want to maintain the same color. So we're going to use plugin to achieve that. So now let's drag them and align them like this, and go to our community and look for the plugin called Color Compass. So right click, plugin, manage plugins, then you search here for Color Compass. So you can see this is the Color Compass. Click on it. So you can click on the heart to save it. Click on this to save it. Then you now click again to run. Your view details is going to open it. Then click on run to install the plugin. So once you click run, it will save the plugin automatically into your design system. Now, by default, you see, because we selected the Asian color, it has seen the Asian color and created multiple colors of Asian colors that you can choose, starting from the tint, shade, random, saturated, up to the last. So we're not going to start with Asian color. Let's start with primary color. So I'm going to click on primary color, then come here to update it. Click on fill, then copy the code, then come here and paste it. So now click on update. So the first thing we're going to do is to create the colors we want to use as the main brand of the, main color of the brand, which is blue. So we can create on tint to get series of tints we want to use. You can click on shade. Also click on random. So this way we have different colors saturated as well. We have them here. So now this is how you can generate your colors using the color compass. So let's align them together. And increase the. So now we have this here as the blue color. So what you need to do next, let's assume you want to choose from the colors. Now you can see each and every one of the blue has fade blue up to the last. The same thing applies to the second one, third one, and the last one that has complete blue. So from here you can select how you want to use the color based on your design. But remember, you have to maintain that color principle. Don't go beyond 3 or 5 at maximum. So this is how you can create for blue. Now let's bring down the blue. This is for primary color. And you can save it if you want to use it over and over again. Just click on it, come here and click on the grid box, click on this add, then you name this as blue. Then you create style. It's added to your design system. Now let's go again and click on this, come here and add it to the library. You can name this as what? Sky blue, and create variable as well. It's going to be added to the design system as well. So you do it like that manually based on the colors you want to choose from this blue and add it to your design system. So this is how you can generate your colors using the color palette. Please use this method to apply for the secondary color and the Asian color. Then from there you can choose the range of colors you want, and from there you can choose the specific colors you want from the range of colors you choose. So in the next video we're going to see how to generate colors using image.